Today, I will share with you a school readiness in early childhood care and education. My basic focus will be why it is so crucial in ECCE. So, when we talk about Indian culture, uh, it is assumed that there is a predetermined set of skills and abilities that all children need before entering primary school. In India, it is assumed that children entering primary school would have achieved the basics of reading, writing, and arithmetic, commonly known as 3Rs. The challenge is in India, a large number of children are first generation learners and come to a school without social, academic, or language readiness. As a result, educational disparity are ever increasing. One need to recognize that child's early learning, growth, and development is multidimensional, cumulative, and is influenced by individual, social, cultural, and contextual factors or variations. A recent study, CECED 2013, in India, has revealed that phonetics, communication skills, and cognitive activities such as sequential thinking and classification are areas needing attention. However, any discussion or conclusion regarding school readiness or what we expect children to know and to do before entering a school will be guided by three basic factors. First, the diversity of children's early life experiences as well as inequity in experiences. Second, the wide variation in young children's development and learning. And the third, the degree to which school expectations or children entering kindergarten are reasonable, appropriate, and supportive of individual differences. When we talk about the concept of readiness, it includes much more than children's readiness. A school readiness is currently defined by three interlinked dimensions. First, ready children, second, ready schools, and third, ready families and communities. Maxwell and Clifford in 2004 says that children are not innately ready or not ready for school. Their skills and development are strongly influenced by their families and through their interactions with other people and environments before coming to school. So, children at school and families are considered ready when they have gained the competencies and skills required to interface with the other dimensions and support smooth transitions of children from home to ECCE center and subsequently to primary school. So next I will talk about what is school readiness, what is ready children, how we are going to make children ready for ECCE, ready schools, ready families,